Hi guys, let's get into it. We have another one from Culture Club with Time Clock of the Heart. Let's check it out.
Put your head on my shoulder, sink me in a river of tears. This could be the best place yet, but you must overcome your fears. Ooh, in time, it could have been so much more. The time is precious, I know. In time, it could have been so much more. The time is nothing to show because time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and time won't give me time, won't give me time. Don't make me feel any colder. Time is like a clock in my heart. Touch me, touch was the heat too much. I thought I lost you from the start. Ooh, in time, it could have been so much more. The time is precious, I know. In time, it could have been so much more. The time is nothing to show because time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and time won't give me time, won't give me time. You and me, we know they got nothing but time, and you know time won't give me time, and time makes lovers feel like they got something real. But you and me, we know they got nothing but time, and you know time won't give me time.
Ooh, I like that one. That one's definitely, it hits and it's still relevant to this day. It always goes back to the top to saying time, only time will tell. Like, it's given the definition of a slow burn. Like, it's sometimes when you're like in fast pace, it don't last long. So something that takes slow and steady time, it just builds up more character, more more like, yeah, I know this is gonna work in the long run. That is true. People do rather relate time to how somebody really likes them or if they really love them, because like they said, time only time can tell. Like, is you serious or you just playing games? Like, time will reveal itself in different ways you ain't think it was possible. And that's just lets you know where you stand, kind of giving like an intuition of something real or fake. I like that one. Okay. Thank you for this suggestion, Kevin, because this was amazing. Like, I enjoyed it. So, with that being said, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.